you have been thinking of starting a YouTube channel, my love, I want you to start here and now, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own YouTube channel and start posting on YouTube, whether you're using your mobile phone or even your PC. If you're coming across my video for the first time, I'm Chimadika and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you already know me from TikTok, you already know I'm Chimadika and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, as someone that's not posted on YouTube before, what you have is a YouTube account, not a YouTube channel. You have a YouTube account because there is an already existing Gmail account in your phone. That is what is allowing you to watch YouTube videos. But when you start creating on YouTube and posting for other people to watch, that is when you have a YouTube channel. And yes, you can use that Gmail account already on your device to create a YouTube channel, or you can go ahead and create a fresh Gmail from scratch, whichever one works. That being said, let me open my phone so that we are going to be creating a YouTube channel together from scratch. Yes, we are doing it together because I want after this video you go and create your own YouTube channel. Okay, now when you open your YouTube account, like I said, it's an account. Now you're going to just be seeing the videos you have watched on YouTube. Okay, for you to create your own channel, you're going to see home, short, plus subscription, then you're going to click on you. You're going to be seeing the name of your Gmail. That's what is going to be written there. Then under it, you see create an account. Now we are going to click on create an account because we want to create our YouTube channel account to start posting on YouTube. Okay, when you click on it, you see how you appear. How are you going to be appearing on YouTube? Picture, change your photo or take a new one. Now we click on picture. It's going to bring us here, camera or gallery. You can take a picture right there and upload, but I want to just take a picture from my gallery. I'm going to click on gallery. It takes me straight to my gallery to go and bring any picture at all I want to use for my YouTube channel. Okay, so I click on this particular picture, then I click on done. Then you set up the picture the way you want it to appear on YouTube. After that, you click on save as profile picture, because anyone that comes to your channel, this is the first picture that is going to be displayed to them. So please, when you're setting up yours, do it with intentionality. Now, name, mine is already Coco Madika. Okay, so you can, if that's not the name you want to answer on YouTube, probably that does not represent what you want to do on YouTube. If you want to do AI or you want to teach on YouTube, you can just change the name there. Okay, so mine, I love it the way it is. Okay, same thing goes to handle. Make sure that the handle there, YouTube approves it. Good. You see a green tick there, meaning that nobody has actually used it on YouTube. Now you save. After you have saved, you see create channel. Once you click on it, you already have a YouTube channel, because at this point you can just go on and create your first video. But we want to set our YouTube channel the way that it is going to reach the right audience. All right, once we have a YouTube channel, the next thing we are going to do is we're going to come to our web browser, any web browser at all you use, Chrome, Google, whatever. You type in YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio. Now you click on it. Once it opens, you're going to see the first thing there, YouTube Studio. Click on it and it opens. You see, try out YouTube Studio app. For the best YouTube Studio experience, download the Studio app, get the app, continue to studio. Click on continue the studio. We are working with the desktop site. We don't want normal mobile app. Good. So now once you get here, you're going to be seeing this dashboard. Everywhere is just going to be empty because you have not used this particular YouTube channel before. You have not created any video. Okay, so once you get to your YouTube studio, you're going to zoom. So you're going to be seeing all these tools here. You're going to zoom it, so you're going to be seeing all those tools there. Good. You're going to click on that pencil icon there, down, almost the last two tools there, that looks like a magic band. So you click on it, you're going to see channel customization. So you're going to see banner image. You see upload. I've posted a video on my YouTube channel of how to create a YouTube banner, so you can go and check that video. So they're going to create your own YouTube banner to post or upload here, because if you continue to do that in this video is going to be extra long. So just check out that video. Okay, now after your handle, the next thing is description. Describe what your channel is about. Write it here. Once someone comes to your channel, if you finish reading this thing now, okay, this is what I'm expecting from this person, so I'm going to be writing that in my description. If I'm opening this YouTube channel for myself, I'm obviously going to be writing editing tips and AI tips. After that, next thing is channel URL. This link now is a link. If you want to send your YouTube link to anybody, that's the link you're just going to copy and send to people. Now the next thing there is add a link. add a link. Now they give you opportunity to add link of your social media. Let's say your Instagram. Now you have an Instagram account. Okay, just go to your Instagram, get the link of your Instagram and put it right there. Abi, should we do it together? Okay, let's go to Instagram. I'm just going to do that of Instagram only, and yeah, you will tackle that of your Facebook and the rest of them. So let's say, because I have this Instagram channel that has refused to grow, so you guys might just go and follow me on my Instagram. So once you get to the Instagram, you're going to click on share profile. Once you click on share profile, you copy link. That's all. So once you have copied link, I'll just leave Instagram and basically go to my YouTube channel, that place I wrote link. Okay, so I enter a title. So let me just add Instagram here. Instagram, showing that it's my Instagram account. All right, then enter URL. URL is the link you got. Okay, so you paste it there. If you have another link, let's say for TikTok, Facebook, click on add link. Then if it's YouTube, put. If it's TikTok, you put. Once you are done with that, next thing is add your email address, then upload watermark. It's not really necessary. You can just put your picture as your watermark, and that is it. Very, very simple. You have set up a YouTube channel. And don't worry, I'm going to be guiding you on how to be editing your videos as you post here on YouTube, especially talking head videos like this. I'm going to teach you how to be editing your video. This channel is about editing and AI tips, okay? And if you don't want to miss this, I'm going to be dropping subsequently. You have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You have to, okay? People from my TikTok, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah, and also don't forget to turn up the post notification bell, so whenever I drop a tutorial on YouTube is going to notify you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't hesitate to create your own YouTube channel. People are cashing out on YouTube and I want you to be part of them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one. I'm going to go.